Hello, right there. My name is Adeni. Welcome to my channel. So today, what I want to show you is how to create a custom testimonial carousel using the Elementor without any plugin. So this is the post from one of the Elementor user on the Elementor community, stating the need to create a testimonial carousel with an image, a text, the testimonial itself, the testimonies rather, and a video element. So I'm just going to show you how to go about that right away. So um, I have my dashboard and I'm just going to pages, create my page. So I have this page created. I'm just going to edit with Elementor on a new tab. So you see what we have on the page. Sorry, my network is kind of very slow. I hope I'm forgiven. Yeah. So it's a blank page. I need to show you is a blank page. So testimonial carousel. I'm just going to add this. So on my session, I just going to make my session bit height to be fit to screen. So it covers the screen. This is the only thing we are going to be having. So under the testimonial carousel, I'm just going to delete this element. You can see what we have here. We can have a text, an image, name, position, all that. But we are looking for a more advanced testimonial. So I'm just going to delete everything, the image, the name, and the content. I'm going to delete everything. So what is going to be on the content? I'm just going to create a new section. So let me go to template, add new. So it's going to be section. Let me call the template testimonial one. I'm going to create that in a new tab. So what you are going to do is create a section that has all the elements you want, and from the section you so my section is going to be boxed, and the width, I think what is going to work well will be around 300 or thereabout. So I'm going to use an image box. You can use an image element and all, and text element, but I think an image box does the work so well. So the image position, let's make it left, and let's say the name of the testifier ni Adeoyin, and testimony, let's keep it at this. So the image, I'm just going to choose one of my images here. So then the image size, custom will be okay. Just use a square. I mean, make the height and the width the same thing, so it comes out square. And you are just going to apply border radius to 50%, so it looks like a, yeah, something like that. You get it. So next is to add our video element. So here is a video. I'm just going to pick a video element. So let's just go with this Elementor. Um, let's go with the Elementor video. So I'm going to change the video to videos from my channel on the link later. So the column, to add the styles, border, let's have a solid border with one let's say 2 pixel. So the color, let's give it a good color. Then radius something like 10 should be okay. And yes, box shadow, just going to have something like let's have yeah, I think it's okay. You can just walk around the shadows to um make your work better and all that. This is too much. So depending on what you want, you can just go ahead and then to make it more look, let's have something like this or 20. So this is your testimonial. Yeah, you can go ahead and save this page. What we are going to be doing is duplicate as many as possible. So I'm going to pause this video, create with whatever content you want. So I'm going to pause the video and show you how I implement it right on the testimonial carousel itself. Sorry, I lost my video. So I've done this for like three different templates. So this is the fifth one. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. So upon creating a new section template, you are going to see the list of templates you've had. So it's the first testimonial template I created. So to make your work easier, just insert it and use the document settings so it comes up. So you can just replace the content of these testimonials. So let's keep these. Can just change this to, let's change. So you see, Jesus is Lord. Amen. Yeah. So let's say this just to show you that how it works and all that. So I'm going to publish this fifth testimonial section. So going back to my, so click on section. Here are the testimonial sections that I have: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we are going to be needing is this short code, these short codes. So these are the short codes we are going to be using in the testimonial carousel. So I'm just going to copy the first short code and paste right here. So in this content, you paste your short code. Then you can duplicate or add new content whatsoever you. Let me just duplicate having 5 elements. So we have 5. So in each of the content, I'm going to post just the testimonial short code. So I have the template ID, short codes rather. So what I'm just going to do, slide per view, let's set it to 3 to scroll default. Then the width, yeah, we can just leave it as it is. Then our you can customize the carousel just as you want it to suit your designs and all that. So when you update, I'm just going to preview or view the page. Yes, what you have, different carousel, testimonial carousel and all that. So thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and drop your comment in the comment section. And if you have any challenge with Elementor, anything you want to work around, just feel free to contact me. I'll be right there to help you. Thank you very much. My name is Adeni Adeoyin. Bye bye.